If you're looking for ways to save money on your Lyft rides, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to get a $100 Lyft promo code. Now, first things first, Lyft often runs promotions for both new and existing users, and the best place to find them is right on their website or mobile app. Open your Lyft website or simply Lyft mobile app. Simply tap on sign up to ride if you have not signed up for yet. After that, once you're logged in, tap on the promo section under the menu. Sometimes Lyft will offer promo codes or special offers that can give you discounts or even up to $100 off your rides. Lyft sends exclusive promo codes to users through email or push notification, so make sure you're checking your inbox as well as your spam folder just in case. Another way to get $100 Lyft promo codes is by taking advantage of Lyft promotion partnerships with other companies, events, or influencer. Lyft frequently teams up with brands, conferences, or celebrities to offer limited time promo codes. And that's it. These are some ways you can get a $100 Lyft promo code even as an existing user, from referrals and partner promotions to checking your email or even reaching out to Lyft support. There are plenty of opportunities to save big on your next Lyft ride. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.